Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be reviewing 3 puck lights. They're really adorable, they work really well, and they're motion sensitive. I like these a lot. They operate on 3 AAA batteries, which is really nice. I'm actually impressed with the amount of light they actually do give off, considering they're only 6 LEDs, and they come as a 3-pack, so there's another third one in here. I mean, remember, I have box lights and a ring light slamming into me, so actually seeing these in action are going to be difficult, but they work very well. They're under $11 for 3. They do have a magnetic back, so they can stick to like a corner bead, metal corner bead, with no problem whatsoever. They also come with double-sided tape discs, so if you want to stick, if you didn't want to use the magnet, you can't do it. You can use this, stick it to the back of this, stick this to the top, and then you can still, even though this is stuck to something, you can still twist and take it off, and this part stays on the ceiling, and you can still change your batteries, pop it back on again. The light output's impressive. I'll show you pictures of it now. I have it with 1 light on, 2 lights on, and 3 lights on, and they work very well. I do recommend it. Definitely recommend these pucks. So you're walking in, coming in from the outside, you have a metal door, or like in a closet or something, you can stick this right on the door. You can stick it on a air conditioner vent or a air conditioner intake vent, stick it right up there, and as you walk underneath in the hallway, it automatically turns on at nighttime. It's great. I like these a lot. I'm definitely going to be using, I had them in the kitchen, I pulled them down just to do this review. I like them, and they're definitely worth, it's under $11. Come on, you can't beat that with a stick. For 3 LED pucks, this is great. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,